أنا أتيت من اليمن إلى الهند، وكان عندي مشكلة. زوجتي عندها أعصابها هكذا، لا تستطيع تحركها، حتى هكذا ما تستطيع تحركها لو شيء. وصلنا الهند.
So this gentle lady is 56 years with the rheumatic arthritis, and they are from Yemen. They have the fixed elbow deformity with the 90-degree of the flexion. So they are not able to, she is not able to move any movement of the elbow at the range of fixed deformity of 90-degree. So day by day her life was compromising, and they were very much afraid of this kind of the complex situation of the elbow. So they met me, and I have counseled them that they have a fixed elbow deformity, which is, we can say, rheumatic arthritis induced arthrodesis of the elbow.
أنا كنت أحكي قصتي قبل ما أجي الهند. أنا كان يدي متصلبات، جلس أنا متألمت ومتصلبت مدة 8 سنوات. جينا عند الدكتور شوار مهرة، شاف الحالة وتعامل معها، والحمد لله فعل العملية وتحسنت من ما كنت إلى الأفضل.
We have gone through the same sitting bilateral elbow replacement, and it went very nicely.
وعمل عملية جبارة يشكر عليها، يعني ما دام عشنا في الحياة، وأشكره لآدابه.
بفضل الله وفضل الدكتور شورى مهرة والمستشفى بإمكانياتها الجيدة وخدماتها الواسعة.
After surgery she is very happy, and because she was suffering a lot for many years, and for her it is a miracle. She was never expecting that she can extend and get the movement for which his daily activities she can do. So they are very happy, and they are ready to fly back to her own country, and I wish her to more and best recovery, and all the best for future.